I'm going to need several modules put together in little groups so that I can answer this question effectively for Karen and the group. To put together the parts of the story that make sense, a full explanation as to the basic anatomy of the condyle and disc assembly in relation to the pterygoid muscle group. I also need to discuss what the reported functions of the two heads were originally reported to do. And that will help you appreciate the role that was assumed to have occurred in the development of temporomandibular joint problems and disc displacement, which is a hyperactivity or hypoactivity model. I will talk about the authors that I think are crucial in helping us to appreciate some of the unusual aspects and clinical aspects in decoding and demystifying some of these issues that are still perpetuated in dentistry today. And I'm going to talk about the dental model. How do we as clinicians put this information that has translated from an abnormal or dysfunctional anatomic model into an abnormal occlusion model related to joint position and related to specific clinical treatment values that are reported to eliminate some of the muscle activity that is associated with occlusal abnormalities. So I'm going to talk a little bit about centric relation as one of the philosophies that's been talked about for many years in dentistry, and how teachers and mentors of that particular dogma were able to help dentists see their side of the problem and make corrections in order to eliminate these problems. So that's going to be the first grouping of what I will be talking about, so that you'll know exactly what the outline is and you'll be able to follow at least that first grouping of episodes that I'll put together.